fresh homemade 3-cheese mac and cheese, served hot in New York City.
Hey y'all! Today Chef Snowpaw shows you real, homemade 3-cheese mac and cheese. Here are all the ingredients you need for this recipe.
Let's get everything organized and ready before we start cooking.
Always grate your cheddar fresh, alone. It melts so much better. Gruyere gives this mac that deep, nutty richness you cannot replace. Cream cheese must be softened.
Big pot, lots of water both, and salt it like the ocean. Elbow macaroni goes in, cook it 1 minute under al dente.
Butter and flour together full sarin. We cook this roux for 2 minutes.
Whole milk and heavy cream go in. Whisk it smooth and silky. Dijon mustard, garlic powder, smoked paprika, huko. Season it right and taste as you go. Sharp cheddar goes in first. Watch that color change right now. Woo!
Gruyere melts in next by, look at those silky strings. Pure magic. Cream cheese goes in last. Hist. This is what makes it ultra silky. Drain the pasta now. 1 minute under keeps it perfect later. 3-cheese sauce goes right over the pasta. Fold it all together. Transfer everything into the baking dish touse. Level it out nice and even. Panko breadcrumbs with melted butter cast. Toss it all together until golden. Spread those buttered breadcrumbs evenly. Every single inch must be covered. Under the broiler it goes, babe! Watch that breadcrumb crust turn golden. Look at that crust forming, Howie. Golden, crispy, and absolutely perfect. Out of the broiler, look at that crust. Pure perfection, y'all. Look at that cheese pull bluff. 3 cheeses, 1 perfect bite. Plate it up generously with extra breadcrumb crust right on top.
Smoked paprika, fresh parsley, a butter drizzle. Ooh, the perfect restaurant finish. 3 perfect servings, fresh, creamy, cheesy, and ready for America. 3-cheese stovetop mac, thub, talk, not the box, the real deal.
A 3-cheese mac and cheese, made fresh with love, just for you, America. If you enjoyed this video and want more delicious recipes, oven, like, subscribe, share. Thank you, America.